Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 points inspection by AA. It's covered under the warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get a single call-out roadside assistance for 1 year. You can extend both warranty and call-outs for your roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple-layer Gardex nano coat over the paint of the vehicle to make sure this metallic grey won't be affected by acidity, tree sap, rain or anything else. This specific model comes in the Sportive trim, which grants you color-coded front bumpers with LED daytime running lights and also fog lights. You also have the color-coded side trim and the gloss black power fold mirrors, which are also heated. You have twin sliding door, one per each side. Over to the back, you have barn style doors and a color-coded bumper. And over to the curb side, you got the other sliding door and the fuel port for both the diesel and for the AdBlue just inside the passenger door. Let's take a look at the cargo bay now. Once you open the barn style doors, you got wood ply lining on all the panels and on the floor. You also have boxy housings for the wheel arches to get an even shape for your cargo hold. You have a full metal bulkhead with a load-through hatch in the bottom left corner, which will extend into the cabin for 68 centimeters. Size-wise, you have 125 centimeters in between the two wheel arches, 124 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then you also have 280 from edge to edge of depth, fully usable into the cargo bay. It's also fitted with 8 anchorage points. And you also have 2 lights over the roof. Let's take a look at the cabin now. Once you get into the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent, fully adjustable driver's seat. And then you have a 2-seat bench for the passengers. And the center seat features a picnic table with a document holder. You have some storage solutions just underneath the glove box on the passenger side, one just above the center console, and then you have a cup holder over to the right for the driver, just underneath the tweeter. The dashboard is an analog one fitted with a trip computer. You have the controls for the automatic headlights and indicators on the left stalk. Just underneath, you have the stalk for the cruise control. And over to the right, you got a stalk for the automatic wipers and for the infotainment and voice commands, phone commands. Over to the right, you also have the controls for the volumetric alarm and the dial to adjust the height of the light beam. Over to the driver armrest, you got the power fold mirror and power window controls. And then over back to the center, you got the infotainment, which is an NAC unit by Vauxhall, which is also fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB cable, plus mirror link functionality if your phone is capable of it. You can also access all the settings of the vehicle. You can deactivate the start and stop and the traction control through here. And you can also access some more features like the driver attention warning, the welcome lighting and the guide me home lighting, and then the automatic fold of the mirror once you turn off the vehicle. The radio is a DAB, and then you also have AC controls just underneath, plus the heated windows controls, center locking unit and rear locking unit, a 12-volt port and a USB port. And this vehicle is a 6-gear transmission in manual. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.